Okay, so I'm going to be putting new needles. I put some new needles in the last video, and I just wanted to show you, if I just stuck this on here, then there's no indent on this. It's just completely round. So when I put it on here, you can see I can put it on and I can spin it 360 degrees. So I can just spin this around. It can go anywhere. If I do that, when I lower the foot, it would crunch into the metal and break the needles, which is what I think happened originally. To avoid this, what we're going to do is it's very specific. We're going to line up, and you can sort of get an idea that if your nut here, your tightening nut here, needs to be at about 45 degrees in order to securely clamp on. So you'll get that idea pretty easily and be able to stick it in there. Then you can, obviously, if you want to up or lower, that won't matter, but you can put this down and then just very carefully slide it up and use your Allen wrench to tighten it on. Mine needs to back off just a smidge more before I tighten. So I slid it off all the way up. So you can see it moved up a little bit there. Try and keep my hands out of your way. Now I tighten it. You can see the needles are still in the holes, but just to be sure, we can go up. And you see it's over. It is hitting a little bit. So that's why you always use your hand wheel first. And I think that as I tightened it, it just squidged a little bit so that the needles aren't centered. So I am just going to very gently put it down into the holes. I'm going to unscrew it. And I'm going to center those needles a little bit better. And trying to get a better view of these little guys here. And I'll tell you what, the view you're seeing on the camera is definitely the way to go, because obviously it doesn't really want to focus. Go back up to 4. Trying to get this so you guys can see it. Okay, so there you can see it's not perfectly clear, but you can see that my needles are still on the left side of the hole. All of them are to the left, and so that's why I'm getting a little bit of hitting. And those burrs that are hitting are the ones that I want to do my work for me. So you can see when I turn that, I can get them centered. And then I'm going to tighten that up. And then you see I got to flip my little thing around. I do wonder, oh, I just loosened it instead of tightening it. So let's just make sure that I love where it's at before I fully tighten. There we go. So as you tighten, it can move it, so you do have to sort of hold it. Okay, and it's done.